Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can download Instagram Reels video. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram. So once you open Instagram, and here you can see I have different Reels uploaded onto my account. Let's suppose I want to download this Reel. Click on that Reel and click on three dots. So here you can see that under view insights you have an option that is save to your device. Click on that option and that reel will be saved into your device. And the other method is to click on the link. Okay, and after that you need to open any browser and search your Instagram reel download. Okay, and open the first website, and here you need to paste the link, and then you need to click, and here you can see that the video is now downloading, and click on download button. So this is our process by which you can download Instagram reel video into your smartphone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.